Hi, welcome to Tie-Fi Designs, and today I'm making a Valentine Day card, and it's a shaker card, and I hope you guys like. So here we go. So I started with this Hearts to Hearts die from Impression Obsession, and it's so cute. And I'm using it with some Tim Holtz Watercolor Paper. And I'm just gonna run into my Big Shot, and then I'm going to make a shaker card. So once I run into my Big Shot, I'm just punching out all the little hearts that come out of the die, and you can save these if you want to use them on another project. But the heart shape is super cute. I love it. So this is going to be my shaker window. So I'm putting all my little pieces away, and then I'm using 2 distress ink, but by the end of the video I'm going to use a darker color because the 2 colors I chose was a little light and too close to each other. But the 2 colors are a Bondo and Wound Lipstick. Once we finish the card, that's the 2 colors I ended up with, Bondo and Wound Lipstick. So I'm doing kind of an ombre look. I'm doing the darkest color on the bottom and the lightest color on top, and I'm just going over the entire piece of watercolor paper. Once I'm done, I'm just spritzing my piece of watercolor paper with some water so I can create a little distressed background, and then I'm going to use some paper towel to just remove the excess water from the paper. And I could have adhered it to a board or something so it won't move, but or it won't warp. But it was good because I used my heating gun to kind of finish up the heating process. Then I use the die again, and I use a piece of red cardstock, and I just cut out a bunch of the hearts just to add to my shaker. And then I added a bunch of foam adhesive so I can create my shaker area. And I'm just using some baby powder just to take away the stickiness from the adhesive from the inside so that my shaker stuff won't get stuck. Then I just actually took out some of the larger hearts and add my hearts. Then I add some sequins, just some different colors, clear, silver, and these are all from cartwrightsequins.com. I think that's the website. I'm gonna link a video of where I purchased all our sequins, and it's so beautiful. Then I just add the backing to my shaker, and that's pretty much for the shaker portion of my card. Isn't that pretty? I use this Word Critters Spring Birds from yournextstamp.com, and I'm using this cute little stamp with 2, I guess, lovebirds together, and they're super cute. And I just stamped them using my black licorice ink from MFT. And I'm just gonna use my distress ink to color them. Aren't they cute? Oh my god, you're so cute! Coloring, I'm going to cut my little birdies out. Oh my god, it's so cute. Then I use the Three Amigos stamp set from Mama Elephant for my sentiment. I'm just going to use the I love you. I use my powder tool just to go over a piece of black cardstock. I'm stamping my sentiment. I'm stamping them far apart because I'm putting my little birdies in the center. And I stamp it with some First Mark ink. And I'm gonna add some Simon Says white embossing powder. And this is a very fine, super fine embossing powder. I'm sorry. And I'm just gonna heat set. And then I'm cutting my sentiment out so I can add it to the front of my shaker. Birdies adhere. I just use some liquid adhesive to adhere my little birdies in the middle of the sentiment, and then I'm going to add it to the front of my shaker like so. Super cute. And I'm just going to cut the excess cardstock off. This created my shaker area, and I'm going to add it to an inch size white card base. And as you can see, I added a couple sequins on the front also. For the inside of the card, I use this paper hug stamp set from Simon Says Stamp, and a stamp Will You Be My Valentine. And I added a couple of the hearts from the die that I cut in red. And that's pretty much it for my card. I want to thank you guys for always watching, and I'll see you next time with the next card. Bye.